Okay, so this is HD today. We're gonna do open box for NEXTOOL multi something. Here, let's check. So inside a box, nice homemade case, and there you go. Nice wrapped. Just got the plastic cover off, and now I'm gonna see how it looks. Okay, just gonna play it a little bit and see what's up. I'm just gonna show you guys around. I can't really name anything or explain, just like really good YouTubers, but just to kind of give you a glimpse of what it looks like. Let's see. It got scissors. And okay, got the knife ready. And what else? Okay, I think this is for maybe to make a fire, I guess. And I think this is for a can opener. And this is, what is it? I'm not really sure, but yeah, that's it. That's about it. I think NEXTOOL multi-tool with the bag. So there. Thanks for watching.